Welcome to GRD152 Computer Design. I'm here to talk with you about how this semester is going to go. This class is a class based around Illustrator. And as we mentioned a little bit earlier, um, Illustrator is a bit like a bike. Photoshop is like a big wheel. It's certainly approachable, it's fun to use, and it's easy. A bike, on the other hand, will get you anywhere you want to go. You can go all the way across the country. You go to a job interview, you can take it to school, you can take it to work. The only problem is learning how to use a bike can be tough. The thing falls over on you. You think you're in control, but if you slow down too much, it will crash. You might run into a tree. Search your childhood. Anyway, riding a bike is sometimes difficult, but it's a little bit easier if someone is there holding the seat to make sure that you don't fall over one way or the other. That's what I'm here for. This class will help you to use Illustrator. It will be your go-to work program for logos and many materials as you go through your design career. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but you will be able to look back on it later and be really proud of the work that you did. Just like any other class, make sure that you're setting aside 15 hours a week. That's 6 hours for class time. Some of that will be meeting in person, and at least 1 to 2 of those hours will be online time that you will use to research things that interest you. Recreate things that interest you. See if you can follow tutorials. But 9 hours need to be set aside for homework. This class is an important one. It's not a joke. Some of the work that you create in here can show up in your portfolio and help you get that job. I look forward to seeing your work. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Just as a reminder, this is a communication industry, so make sure you're reading your emails twice a day, once in the morning and once in the afternoon, so that if there's any changes, you are ready in advance. If you're trying to move into a communication field of study and a communication field for the rest of your life, learn how to communicate now. Keep those channels open. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day. One more thing. Please understand that if you are in a seated class, you will need to wear a mask to class. It is mandatory. If you are seen in the building without one, they boot you out. We will have masks in the classroom if you run from your car and you forget, but it is mandatory on campus. We will be resuming in-person classes on the 18th, fingers crossed. But up until the 18th, due to the Omicron variant and the high spike based around people coming from Christmas and New Year's in close contact with one another and the high amounts, we are doing virtual until then. So I'll see you. Look in the left-hand column. I don't know which side this video is going to show on. Look in your left-hand column and you'll see in our collaboration area there's a spot for virtual classes. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day. One other thing, if you do need to have any in-person time, I will be in the ILC on South Campus in person Tuesday and Thursday evenings. The ILC closes at 7 o'clock. Tuesday, I go in there about 3 or 4 till 7, and Thursday, 3 or 4 till 7. So I look very forward to seeing you in person and helping you out if that's the kind of work that you need. Thanks. Hope you're all having a great week. And if you want to get in touch with me, there is also virtual office hours that I am running via Teams first thing in the morning on Tuesday and Thursday. So if you are worried about an upcoming project and you want to get in touch with me, I will have some virtual office hours. You can just text me right from Teams and we can chat asynchronously. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing your work.